Hello and welcome to today's brand new video. We are doing an Allure beauty box, baby. We got our Allure box early this month, so this is going to be for November. And as I'm filming this, it is currently October. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Molly. I do lots of unboxings, hauls, reviews over here. I would love it if you would subscribe. So we do have our Allure beauty box. If you haven't seen one of these videos before, it is a monthly subscription service. It's $23 a month, and we receive some full size as well as deluxe size items. It's normally pretty skincare heavy. I will tell you that normally November and December are the best boxes in my opinion of the year, so I'm very excited to see what came this month for November. I always leave a link down below to sign up to in case you want to sign up. Allure does send these to me, but you guys know I'm always honest on them. I am a little bit almost too honest sometimes because I feel like I'm a little picky when it comes to subscription boxes, but I'm excited to see, like I said, what we got. So we do have our little magazine here. This comes in every single one of these subscriptions, and it basically just tells you about all of the products and tells you the best way to use them and such, so this is always helpful to have. So I'm just gonna start grabbing. I do see something here from Tarte, and that is exciting because sometimes I feel like there's a lot of like high-end brands in here, but not always brands I've heard of, so seeing Tarte is very exciting. So what is this? This is the Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner. Okay, here's what that looks like. Let me go ahead and open this up. It's in the shade Rose Gold. I actually cut my finger on a sponge today. You're like, how did you do that, Molly? Well, I was unboxing or like opening up like a Wet n Wild sponge, and I literally like opened it weird and the plastic like completely sliced my whole finger open, so that was fun. So this is the Rose Gold / Black. Oh, okay, so it has a black on one side, regular black eyeliner. This is a gel liner, and then a color stick on the other side. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Here's a look at that. I'm kind of into that. That would be nice just like for an easy, like throw this on the lid and then do like a quick liner. Very cute. I actually haven't heard of this product, but I could see how a lot of people would get used with something like this because it is duo use product. So let's see, the price on this one does retail for $25. So right there, that is going to pay for the same price of the box. So if this is something you had your eye on, might be a good time to grab it. I am excited about that. Like I said, something different. All right, up next in here, we have the new mascara. This is from Wander Beauty. They just launched this. So this is like brand new. I just actually got it in PR as well. And price on this one is gonna be $26. And this is called the Upgraded Lashes. It's a treatment mascara, and it's in the shade Jet Black. So this is what it says. It says the mascara that gives a glam without unwanted drama or smudging, flaking, clumping. It's an hourglass brush coated with comb-like bristles to separate every lash for maximum definition. Jet Black formula infused with conditioning peptides to nourish, so the lashes are nourished with every swipe. So it's gonna have those peptides, so it's gonna help to strengthen your lashes. I'm excited to try this because I have tried Wander Beauty's mascaras in the past, and I do really enjoy them. They have their Unleashed. I'm trying to think of the other one, like Jet Lagged or something like that, but both of them are really good. So I actually prefer a hourglass shape as well. So here's a look at the wand here. Let me get it closer so you guys can see. So it has those like spiky bristles, which sometimes is really nice for like really grabbing the lashes. So this is a good thing to get. And again, if you were eyeing this one, $26 is the price on that as well. Okay, I know this isn't gonna be for everyone, but I'm excited about this. I have been needing a new lash curler, but this is from the brand Ekio, I think is how you say it, Ekio London, and it's an eyelash curler. It does retail for $15. I personally think that curling your lashes makes such a difference. For someone who's like not doing it, you should be doing it because I really think it does make all the difference in your lashes. But this one's cute. It's like a blue color. I haven't tried anything from this brand. I don't think. I might have gotten something from them in like a subscription, but that's exciting. So this is going to be $15 for the lash curler. I know that won't be for everyone because I know everyone doesn't curl their lashes, but I'm excited about that because I do curl my lashes pretty regularly. Next up, we have a skincare product. This is the Simple Cleanser by Simply by Helena. And it says splash face with warm water and apply a pea-sized amount, massage in carefully. All right, here is a look at that. This is gonna retail for $29.95 for the 4-ounce bottle. I don't know, this is a 2-ounce, so it's a half, so this is gonna be like a deluxe size. I love trying new cleansers. It's actually one of my favorite skincare products to test out because I do feel like just a good cleanser can really make your skincare routine. So I will definitely give this one a try. And again, it's 2 ounces. So the full size is $29.95. So this is like half of that. So probably about $15 worth for this mini, but if you only use a pea size amount, I can imagine that this would go a long way because there's a decent amount in here. Okay, and then we have another smaller product. This is the Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. It's an anti-aging wrinkle cream. Here is what that one looks like. The brand is Neogen. And the full size of this one retails for $48. And this is obviously just a small little half size. This is a half an ounce in there. So just a tiny little guy, but definitely a way to try it if you wanted to try this. I haven't heard of this product, but do leave a comment if you have. Sometimes, like I said, in these boxes, I don't always know the brands because I do feel like they are a little bit like higher end brands and I'm not always shopping with them. So it's a good way to try like some newer brands and also some, you know, more expensive brands. So again, that one was, I think, $48 for the full size. And then we have another small little product right here. This is the Polani Annie, oh my gosh, I'm gonna butcher that, antioxidant rich face oil. So here's a look at that. This one looks pretty small. It says good for 30 days. Okay, so 30-day supply for this one. And it says smooth it on your last step in your skincare routine. So it is an oil. It has calendula as well as chamomile in here, and this is very tiny. So definitely probably a small amount, I would guess, with this one is gonna go a long way just because it's so small, and they said this will last 30 days. So definitely a small amount with this one, but a little oil if that is something you're into. I'm not always into like face oils per se. If I can use them, if I like do them early enough, like if I do my skincare routine early enough in the night where the oil can like absorb into my skin. If not, I am like not applying oils before I go to bed just because I hate that feeling of like stickiness on my pillow. It drives me crazy. So if I remember to do my skincare routine like earlier in the night, then I'll do an oil, but I definitely never do it right before I go to bed. If I did not mention, that is $72. So that is a pricey serum. Holy moly, that is expensive. Okay, and then we have another smaller product again. This is from the brand Wasmia. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a organic flowers toner, and it comes in this little thing here. Again, this is a smaller size. Full size retail on this one is $43. So it's just a little toner. It says deeply moisturizing and plumping toner. So I will try this. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I like trying toners, especially ones that are K-Beauty brands, because I feel like K-Beauty has such good skincare. Like they do skincare really well. So I haven't heard of this brand before, but the actual packaging on the toner in here looks so cute. Okay, so I believe that is everything for the box, and I do have 2 more products in here, and I think that these are just gonna be like your free gift. If you do sign up for Allure, they normally offer a free gift for first-time customers. So you get like a free beauty gift if you do sign up. So I believe this is the sign-up one. So this is the Akar Skin Restore Eye Serum. I believe this is going to be full size. It does look to be full size. So if this is something you love, I think we've gotten this in a box before, but you will get this if you do sign up for the subscription service. And I know this is expensive. I remember this was a pretty pricey eye serum. So this is one you regularly purchase. It might be worth it to just sign up for the box. And then also in here, I'm not sure if this is like, I'm sure this is just something they threw in here. It's a Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum, and it's just from Neutrogena. So this is just like a small little paper deluxe size sample. Okay, so let's see now everything that we got. So we went ahead and we got the facial oil, the pricey facial oil. We got the cleanser, which again wasn't full size, but this is a decent size, especially if you have to use a small amount. We did get the deluxe size toner. And then we got the small repair cream. And then the full size products we got was the eyelash curler, the mascara, and then also the eye stick. So I actually am pretty happy with this box. Like I said, I feel like this time of the year, they always like upgrade these boxes so good. Probably because like holiday time, they're thinking like people want to gift these and sign up for them and such. But I think this is pretty good, especially getting the full size Tarte product and the full size mascara, full size eyelash curler. I think that that's all like really good. And then to get the larger cleanser too, I'll definitely use this. And then you get those smaller deluxe size samples. I know they're not the biggest samples, but I do think with that facial oil, like I said, that's a 30-day supply. I would say the same probably with the toner, and then this one maybe just a couple days. I'd probably say this a couple weeks worth because it is a moisturizer, and I feel like you do use a little bit more of a moisturizer. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this box this month. I know we're always kind of like talking in the comment section what we think, and I always love hearing your guys' opinions. Do not forget to subscribe again if you have not already, and I will see you very soon with a brand new video. Bye.